Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Lose You to Love Me by Selena Gomez. Now before we can play this song, we first should make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 5 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are C major, D minor, A minor, G major, and F major. If you know how to play those 5 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the other portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn is C major. To play that, just take your third finger and press down on the first string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord is D minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your second finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then take your third finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This is D minor. The next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. The next chord is G major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, take your second finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, then take your third finger and press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. This is G major. And the last chord for this song is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and then take your second finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. Now we're going to go into the finger picking pattern of this song. And before we go into that, I'm going to show you where to place your picking fingers on the strings. Your first finger, which is your thumb, is going to go right on the 4th string. Your second finger, which is your index finger, is going to go right on the 3rd string. Your third finger, which is your middle finger, is going to go right on the 2nd string. And your fourth finger, which is your ring finger, is going to go right on the 1st string. Now the finger picking pattern for this entire song is just going to be 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play that pattern now on the C major chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to learn the chord progressions for this song, and we're going to break it up into 2 sections. The first section is going to be for the intro and the verses, and the second section is going to be for the pre-choruses and the choruses. So the first section, which again is for the intro and the verses, is just going to be C major for 8 beats, D minor for 8 beats, A minor for 12 beats, and G major for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's apply the finger picking pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the second section, which again is for the pre-choruses and the choruses, is just going to be F major for 8 beats, C major for 8 beats, and G major for 16 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And now let's add the finger picking pattern with that chord progression. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now that we know the chords, the chord progressions, and the finger picking pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Lose You to Love Me. You promised the world and I fell for it. I put you first and you adored it. Set fires to my forest and you let it burn. Sang off key in my chorus, 'cause it wasn't yours. I saw the signs and I ignored it. Rose-colored glasses all distorted. Set fire to my purpose and I let it burn. You got off on the hurting when it wasn't yours. We'd always go into it blindly. I needed to lose you to find me. This dancing was killing me softly. I needed to hate you to love me. To love, love, yeah. To love, love, yeah. To love, yeah. I needed to lose you to love me. To love, love, yeah. To love, love, yeah. To love, yeah. I needed to lose you to love me. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Lose You to Love Me. And that's you play Lose You to Love Me by Selena Gomez. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe. As always, keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.